So I went in for the Marilyn Monroe doll, and I ended up leaving with a complete Barbie haul. So if you got love for Barbie, stick around and watch the video.
Welcome to Defend the Hustle. Buffalo always keeps it a buck.
I can guarantee you most of the audience is gonna agree with me before they agree with you.
Lock in, because Buffalo is about to
Crack your cranium and fertilize your brain. Go ahead. Right here, right now. You go ahead.
subscribe and share now.
Hey everyone, Buffalo here, aka the Barbie King. Yes, today I am doing a Barbie haul. This is my roots. When I got into reselling about 7 years ago, these were the first items that I picked up. I didn't know what to sell. I just got lucky, ran into a lady that had a huge inventory. She taught me a little bit about Barbies, and I just been off and running with Barbies every chance I get. Even though I know the market has been tanked a little bit with Barbies. I mean, everybody coming in, they bring the prices down. When I first got in Barbies, these Barbies were selling sky high. Now you pretty much can make a good price off them, but not like before. But hey, it is what it is. I'm still gonna collect Barbies, not gonna stop me. So I want to take this time out to share with you all some of the ones that I picked up. I went in this lady's place to pick up one Marilyn Monroe Barbie and ended up taking the whole haul. So, and the reason being is she had a lot of summer, spring type Barbies. So you'll see that once I go through the collection. And also for this video, I'm gonna use my AI glasses. This is a TikTok shop order. I'm not selling on TikTok shop, just sharing that with you all. So we're gonna see how that goes. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Let's get to it. Okay, so here are the Barbies. Like I said, most of them are like springtime, summertime type Barbies. I do have some themed Barbies in here as well. Over here are the happy birthday Barbies. This one, as you can see, got the little gift thing fell out. And this is common with these after time. The rubber in there starting to deteriorate, but you can fix that if you want. Most of the time, people will accept these with that little issue, but I do know how to fix these. I just go to craft shop or Hobby Lobby or something like that, and I get that band and I go in the back of it, put it in there, seal it back up. But you know, if you don't want to go through that trouble, most people will still buy these, and I'm gonna lay these down so they don't fall down. This is another birthday wishes Barbie. This is a mint color dress. The gift is still intact, the gift box there. That's how you want it. But if it doesn't come that way, it's not a deal breaker. This one has the box in here somewhere. I don't know if it's down in the bottom, but this is another birthday wish. This is a Easter surprise one, and I got to get this particular Barbie listed. The Easter and the Valentine. Got a couple of Valentine Barbies in here as well. Valentine Romance, and then this is a butterfly art Barbie. This is what I consider summertime Barbie, and you got the picture pocket Barbie. So over here we got the fashion show Barbie. Nice outfit. You got two different outfits that come with this one. All right, we got the birthday wishes, another one. Put that over there. This one is the country charm. This is the Cracker Barrel theme. Next up is the winter classic. I mean, she just threw that one in. I took it. Nice dress on that one. Here's another birthday wishes. As you can see, the gift box is down in the corner, but this is where the location goes, and you can fix that if you want. But like I said, they will sell in this condition. Same with this one, birthday wishes. There's nothing wrong with the Barbie. It's just that rubber band broken. So if you see this out there, don't leave it because of that. I mean, if you in my network, just hit me up. I'll tell you how to fix it. This is the peppermint candy cane Barbie. This is Barbie and Kelly, the Easter Garden. That's another Easter one I got to get listed. Princess Bride. I think I got a couple of those. This is the Swan Ballerina. Okay, over here I have Batgirl. This is the art in the back. This one is a 2004 Batgirl, and I'm assuming this is a 2004 Poison Ivy. The only one that's missing out of this set is Harley Quinn. So those are nice. Should have a good return on those. This is Swan Lake, like I said, with the summer theme. This is Snow White. She had a tag on this for $10, so I don't know if she bought that from another place or what. This is Barbie as Lil Bo Peep. Pretty sure you all remember this story, elementary school. This is a 1998 holiday Barbie. This is the Barbie where they changed from going with the big hairstyle to start doing different hairstyles with the Barbie. 1998 Barbie, nice. Okay, over here is the Society Girl. All right, this is a replica of a 1959, the first original. And when Ruth Handler released the Barbie came out just like this one. Just, you know, a little different, and this one came with 2 different outfits. This is the 35th anniversary one. This is the second one in my collection. All right, this is the Premiere Night Barbie with a purple and silver dress. The hairbrush down at the bottom. There's no back art on that one. This is a Christian Dior. She got $75 up there. Ain't what I paid for it, but that's a nice dress on this one. All right, this is the Club Web Barbie, and I hope these glasses are working out because I like the fact that I can have 2 free hands and not have to hold a camera and hold a product and talk at the same time. This is the Angel Princess Barbie. It's a nice summertime type Barbie. This is a Gone with the Wind. I have several of these. These were selling good probably like 2018, 2019, and then they kind of fell off a little bit. Well, I won't say it fell off, but the price kind of tanked. Once people started seeing they were selling pretty good, they started tanking the prices. Now, this is what I went for, the Marilyn Monroe. This is a timeless treasure Marilyn Monroe doll. That's the art on the back of Marilyn Monroe. This one here is Gentlemen's Preferred Blondes Marilyn Monroe version Barbie, and it's art, pictures on the back. This is another Marilyn Monroe Gentlemen's Preferred Blondes in the pink dress, and this is her photos on the back. And this one is the 7-Year Itch Barbie. This is what she's known for, one of her famous photos, and this is it right here on the back that they tried to emulate with the photo. I mean, actually with the Barbie. So I have 2 of those. I actually have 4 in my collection, and I keep using the word collection. I'm not a collector, I'm a reseller, so those will be sold, but I got to get them all into my inventory and listed before. And this one here is Disney Beauty and the Beast. Nice dress, good art on the back. You got a little box damage right here. I may can fix this one. I'm not 100% sure on that, but if anything, I can sell it on eBay. And as you can see, they still have the tags on it, you know, dust and stuff like that. So I haven't gotten that for yet. I just pulled them out the box, and I wanted to show them to you all before I got them listed. This one right here, this is Donna Karan. I think that's how you pronounce the last name. She's a fashion designer, a well-known fashion designer. She got this one for $100, and like I said, I definitely didn't pay those prices for it, but it may sell for $100. I'm not sure. And this one is Nolan Miller, another designer. This is the art of the design that she created for Barbie. This is a sheer dress. This one I got to get it back in here right with the bow. This is the art that comes with it, with the doll itself. I just wanted to open that up to show you all basically what it looked like on the inside. I lay those down. So this is my collection. I know that was kind of quick, but just wanted to show you all what I had. These Barbies, a lot of them I'm definitely going to get them listed for the spring and summertime. I mean, Valentine's is right around the corner. So these, along with, I think I got 15 Valentine versions that are different type of versions that I'm going to go ahead and get those listed. And right behind those, I'm going to go ahead and do the spring and Easter Barbies that I have. So these are considered like springtime, little Bo Peep. Even this one, because of the color, the bright colors, could be a summertime Barbie. Butterfly Arts, of course, is a summertime Barbie. You know, the Cracker Barrel, I could sell that any time of the year. People just want it just based off of the name. This one here, the Swan Ballerina, I have several of these. Definitely would be listed as summertime, springtime Barbie, along with the Princess Bride. Anything with nice light colors, those are the ones that you want to definitely pull and try to get them listed. Like this one here, this could be a cross mix of Christmas and summertime, just based off of the color. Yeah, I just wanted to share this with you all, show you my haul. These birthday Barbies over here, they could be used any time of the year. You know, they got different colors, so I'm assuming these colors represent like the birthstone for the month of that. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a small haul compared to the Barbies that I get. I normally get a large haul of Barbie, 100 plus. I'll try to find people that are having a lot sale, not just a few. But like I said, when I went to her house, I went there with the intent just to buy the Marilyn Monroe Barbies. But then when I seen she had all these Barbies and she gave me a great price, I just went on and took them. So yeah, hopefully I provided you some information you can use. Buffalo Picker, Defend the Hustle. See you on the next video.